Hello, this is Hendrik from Pipedrive support team. I'll quickly show you how you can actually update your people instead of making duplicates on with Zapier. So what happens now is that I have made a simple spreadsheet in Google Sheets, which is just a simple way to test stuff. What I do have here is that I have the name, the phone number, email, and the custom fields. And what I do now is that as soon as I have the new row in this line, it will basically update the name, the email, and the phone number, and also together with the title, which is the custom fields coming from my D column. Now the point is, what we're trying to achieve here is that Pipedrive itself has a rule which checks in case if we need to merge an existing contact or we are creating a new one, which is so-called duplicate. The rule is if the new contact person has the same name and also matching up with either the email or a phone number. In that case, the new contact will be merged with the existing one. So let's say we will have John Doe, for instance, which is johndoe@gmail.com. And if you, again, trying to send the same person basically into Pipedrive, then the system automatically will merge it instead of duplicating it. So we're trying to do the same thing here. We need to match with the deduplication rule, which we are following. So for instance, in this case, let's say I want to update the custom field, which is the title here. Currently it's set to value here. I'm going to change that to, let's say, the title. Well, actually, let's do it like this. I will put exactly the same information, but here, this is the information we are updating. Instead of value here, we're going to put it to CEO. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to test the step again, so we make sure we will get the correct line. Here we will get custom field. We need to get the second line. Let's try to test again. Fields with no. Okay, let's do it like this in that case. CEO. Gotta test it one more time. There you go. Custom field CEO. So what happens now is that as soon as I click retest, create and continue, I'm not generating a new Richard Thompson. I'm just editing the current one. I'm changing the title here. Let's go. Let's have a look. There you go. Just to prove your point, Richard Thompson. We only have one guy here. What happened now is that we made sure that the Richard Thompson name matches up exactly together with the phone number or an email. You don't have to match both of them. It's just enough either one of them. Like it can be just an email or it can be just a phone number. Uh, After that, you can basically update whatever information you need. For instance, I have a bunch of fields here. If you want, I can just update them, all of them at once. I just have to make sure that the data that I'm sending into Pipedrive in Zapier, I will have the name and phone number or the email address. So that's the basic concept of how you can actually make sure that you don't make any duplicates. The similar thing happens with organizations as well, except under organizations, you don't really use phone numbers or emails, or at least they're not the default fields. What happens here is that you have to make sure that you will make sure that you will have um, you have to have the matching name together with the address. So this is the rule for organizations. So they're behaving similarly in terms of merging it or duplicating your records. Hopefully that will explain to you further how you can actually update via Zapier as well. And if you have any further questions, just feel free to reach out, and then we can give you a hand with this. Have a good one. Bye.